In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send screen recordings inside of Asana. If you've ever tried to explain a workflow in text and felt like it took too long, adding screen recordings directly into Asana can save a ton of back and forth. In just a few clicks, we'll connect Asana with Loom so you can share clear visual explanations right where your team collaborates. Start in Asana on your home view. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team and that you're signed in with the account you use for day-to-day tasks. From here, look to the top area of the app and open your account menu to access settings. Depending on your layout, this may be behind your avatar or a quick settings icon near the top right. The goal is simply to open the settings window. Inside settings, go to the apps tab. This is where Asana centralizes integration so you don't have to hunt around in different menus. If you don't see apps, you may need to widen the window, switch to the latest Asana interface, or check that you have the right permissions in your organization. Next, choose See All Apps. This takes you to Asana's app directory, which lists verified integrations you can safely install. It's the fastest way to ensure you're using the official, up-to-date connection rather than a workaround. In the app directory, use the search bar and type Loom. You should see Loom appear as a result with its recognizable branding. Click into it to open the app listing. The listing gives you a quick overview of what the integration does and any permissions it needs, which is useful if you're evaluating tools for your team. On the Loom app page, click Install Asana for Loom. Follow the prompts to complete the install. You may be asked to confirm your Asana workspace and authorize access so the two tools can talk to each other. Just continue through the guided steps until you see confirmation that the integration is active. Once installed, you'll be able to add screen recordings into Asana tasks and conversations using Loom. This typically means you can record or paste a Loom link and have it appear nicely inside the task so teammates can watch without leaving Asana. A quick tip. Check your Loom video privacy settings to make sure the right people can view your recordings, especially on shared projects. That's it. You've connected Loom to Asana, making it easier to explain work with a short video instead of a long message. Thanks for watching and happy recording.